Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So while this here may look like several weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past several days broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Been doing Bitcoin on a very routine basis, and as we head into Labor Day weekend, want to get things updated. With that being said, remember crypto markets are open 24/7. So my goal here is to just talk about broad levels. That way, even if you're watching this, let's just say Sunday afternoon, you can just ask yourself a couple of questions, and that'll keep the video relevant to you even at that point in time. And really the big overall question to ask yourself, and the first question you should ask yourself is, where's the price relative to the 50 period simple moving average? On my chart, that is being denoted here by that purple line. So if you're saying and answering that question, like I said, we'll just go with you're watching this Sunday and you're saying, yeah, the price is still above that 50 period moving average, then that implies that the bulls are still in full control of this nice upwards move that has been underway now for a couple weeks now. So that's the first question. Now, if you answer that question, well, actually the price is down below that purple line, I'm not saying the entire chart is ruined. However, that would tell you that at that moment in time, things are looking a little bit shaky. Again, looking a little bit shaky is not the same as the chart's totally ruined. Now, if the price is, let's say, down at 6,500, at that point, yeah, things may be getting a lot more shakier, but just because the price does, may happen to be down below that purple line, not the end of the world, but preferably speaking, as long as the price is above that area, that's what you want to see. The next question is in regards to the level of resistance. As it stands right now, the main question revolves right there around 71.50 to be more accurate. So ask yourself, well, where does the price stand relative to 71.50? If again on Sunday when you're watching this, you're saying and answering that question, oh wow, the price is actually up above 71.50, that would just imply that a breakout has occurred from these previous highs. Or in other words, this current uptrend that's forming has just gotten that much more momentum and is now pushing those to those new highs, and that's what you want to see. If the price is below 71.50 but it's still up above the purple line, then that just implies the price is continuing to consolidate, and consolidation by no means is anything bearish or anything like that. But again, use those couple of lines and that'll tell you and keep this video relevant for as long as possible. So first question, where's the price relative to the 50 period? Because you got to kind of check, is the price still in that overall uptrend? And then the next part is, well, how powerful is the uptrend? And if the price is actually up above the 71.50 mark, that just shows that the uptrend is gaining that much more power. So we'll see what happens with it. But yeah, the weekend, the chart will continue to play out, but should be pretty interesting. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.